As we know from the materials, the square root of 2 equals 2 power 1/2, and so on. So we write down the exponents of all numbers. Then we find LCM of denominators. If you have no idea about what the LCM is, we bring it to you in another video. Now we must raise the all equations to power LCM. As we know from materials, we can simplify all the equations. We will compare all numbers in this form. At first, we know 4 equals 2 power 2, so we replace it in the equation. We find out that 4 power 15 is the same value of 2 power 13. Let's compare 2 power 30 and 3 power 20. We can rewrite 2 power 30, 2 power 3 power 10, which is 8 power 10. And like that, we can write 3 power 20 as 3 power 2 power 10, which is equivalent to 9 power 10. By simplifying the equations, we can easily compare them to each other. It is obvious that 9 power 10 is greater than 8 power 10. According to this inequality, 3 power 20 is greater than 2 power 30. It's time to compare 3 power 20 and 5 power 12. Like the previous one, we simplify then. At the end, it is vivid that 3 power 20 is greater than 5 power 12. Finally, we should compare 2 power 30 and 5 power 12. Just as before, we simplify both equations. It becomes evident that 2 power 30 is greater than 5 power 12. Well done, my friends. The question now solved. The cube root of 3 is the largest one among the 4 numbers.